Here is Princess. She's relaxing. There's her cage. So she comes out of her cage about 20 to 30 minutes a day. And she'll lay on this blanket. And no poo-poos on the floor. And as you can see, we don't have carpet, so it is kind of hard for her to run around, but she does really good. She loves running around, playing. She's a good girl. So yeah, that's her, just relaxing. She's been like that for about 3 minutes now, so. And hi, baby. She's a good girl. She loves being petted, as you can see. She loves it when I do this.